I've made some progress on the Quadrajet. I found that this bread tie thing that's holding the choke on, holding the choke to the carburetor, was interfering with the choke operation. So now it's allowing the choke to pull the choke all the way down when it's cold. Before it was up a little bit and made things a little loose. Also got the fast idle straightened out, so I don't know if I can show it here with one hand, but when the choke is starting to open, and if you blip the throttle, the fast idle will drop down. So that's working now, and I'm gonna start the car, see if I can adjust the fast idle a little more to make sure it's running at roughly 1100 RPMs. I still haven't adjusted the mixture yet, so got a couple things to straighten out before I can get to the mixture part. So the clip for the choke arrived. Put that on. See if I can do this with one hand. All right, there we got it on. Now that the choke is functioning properly and the fast idle cam is engaging, I'll try to start the car and see if it runs and at what RPM. I'll run it briefly because I don't want the choke to warm up and change positions, and then I'll adjust the fast idle cam as necessary. It's running pretty rough, so I really can't tell whether the fast idle cam needs to be adjusted. After I cleared up a couple of problems with the carburetor, I still had rough engine run idle and some popping, and so I decided to take off the valve covers and see if any of the rocker arms were loose. And here you go. Here's a problem.